It's a Saturday. I love Saturdays, the start of the weekend. Today, as it's still half term here in England, we're doing a video every day. So today is actually my Pop in the Box mystery subscription. So we'll see which Funko Pops they sent me on this month. So catch you the other side of the intro. Hit it, maestro. Excited, you ready for this? I'm so loving this Pop in the Box subscription. Oh, try saying that. And what I really like about it is the fact that I mark on there which ones I've got, which ones I'd like. So I don't know what's coming, it's a mystery, but yeah, it's kind of off a list, so it should be a nice surprise. If it's not a nice surprise, it'll be a nice phone call. So shall we see what we've got? Right, so then, let's open this and find out what we have got today. I'm loving the full size, but I'm also really, really into all the mini mystery Funkos. I've got a load coming. So thanks, Alison, for pointing me in the right direction of where I could get some fantastic prices. I wish they wrapped it in tissue paper so you couldn't see. Oh, this is really nice. Right, you ready? Let me think. Expialidocious, bum-dilly, 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 bum. Mary Poppins! Oh, isn't she lovely? Oh, I really like that. There's 4 in the set. So there's the Mary Poppins musical, which is this one, and we're going to have a proper look in a minute. We've got Jack the Lamplighter, Mary Poppins with bag, and Mary Poppins with kite. So I've got the posh musical one. So those are the options in this set here, and it's from the Mary Poppins Returns. So I'm guessing, is this when they were in at the end, when they're just about to get the balloons and they're all dressed up in their finery? I'm guessing that's what it's from. So Blake's outside with the dogs, it's half term, and he's doing this in the window trying to see which one I've got. Oh, this is really lovely. This is really, I really like this. Look at her, the birds on her head. Are they doves? And all those little chickens. No, they're flowers. And I've got my glasses. Oh, that's frightening, isn't it? Oh, look at her. Isn't she adorable? And then you've got her hair all done up in a bun, all pretty. And the dress, all the detail. Oh, isn't that lovely? I really like that one. I really love it. And they move as well, so you can position their heads. Obviously, you don't want to do anything too weird, but you can position them. Oh, I really like her. Do you like that one, Blake? Blake likes that one. He's looking through the window. He's out with the dogs because they're running around like mad things today. So, yeah, really like that one. And then the other one today, because I get 2 pops a month, and in fact, I've already got the next month's one there, so I might be doing that in a day or 2. Blake wants this one. He's going. Shall I swivel the tripod around so you can see? No, you'll kill me. I have got Iago. Is that how you say his name? The bird, Iago, out of Aladdin. Look. I really like him. Really like him. But apparently Blake's just pinched him. The set, because we get 2 a month. And I haven't got a great space in the office to put them. So we do the Disney ones, but the ones that he likes, he does that. Wow, this is really, really sweet. Oh, this is really nice. I've got to watch Aladdin again this afternoon now when I'm editing. Look at him. His little feathers on the top. Oh, isn't he lovely? He's really lovely. I love the loud colours. Oh, really, really special. Oh, those are two fantastic ones. And that's what I love about it, because if you didn't catch the last one, go on and check my last pop in the box, my first one. This is my second box I've opened, and I've got the third one sat in the corner. And I like to normally do these unboxings on a Thursday, so if I haven't got anything else to unbox, I'll be doing that one on Thursday. But I love it because you can actually, on there, you create an account and then you go in and you tell them which ones you've already got, which ones you'd like and which you don't like. So I do the Disney subscription, and make sure you sign into the Disney subscription if you choose to do it, and then you're only going to get Disney Funko Pop sent to you, so it will always be one of my I'd like list, which is fabulous. So go and check out last month's. I'll put the link below, so if you haven't seen that, go and see that. But I'm really thrilled with these. So we've got one each, Mary Poppins for me and the Argo for Blake. And the reason I knew the name is because Funkos are really good and they put the name on the box. And I just hope being able to speak a bit of a few languages that I can pronounce it, and then we're all right, we're good to go. But yeah, I love these. I think they're fabulous. So thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind. Give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's free to do so. It's just saying I'm one of your favourites and I appear on your notification roll. And if you click the notification bell, they'll send you an email when I upload a video, so you'll never miss one of my videos, and then you know about it, and if you want to watch that, then that's up to you, but at least you'll know that when they're uploaded. But thanks so much, everyone. Yeah, I can't wait. I've got that many mini mystery Funkos at the corner and my other box. Yeah, can't wait. Take care, be good, be kind, and I'll see you really soon. Like tomorrow. Shall we have a date in Disneyland tomorrow? Shall we go to California? Let's go to California. See you all tomorrow, everyone. Bye. Bye.